Innisfree. What's written there? Green Holidays. What's that? Jeju Volcanic Pore Cleansing Foam. Okay. Green tea sleeping mask. Green tea seed skin. Okay. What's that for?
I think it's toner.
Seed serum. Green tea. Green tea lip balm. Okay. I'll take that one. Turn around. Other side.
It's there.
12 December. Okay. Perfume hand cream. Okay. Bija chicha balm. What does it mean? What's it? Jeju Orchid enriched cream. Okay. Oh, how many of stuff inside? This is Jeju cherry blossom jelly cream. Okay. And this is the final one, last one, right? This one. Wrinkle Science Eye Cream. Okay. That's it. What's written here? Big part of the season is remembering those who make the holidays meaningful. We wish you all the love and happiness this season can bring. May it follow you throughout the coming new year. Hidden in each box is a small beauty treasure from us, so you can look and feel your best this holiday season. How much is it?
10 ringgit.
Wow. Okay.